Here's how to recover deleted messages in Messenger. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to be able to recover those deleted messages. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure they're not in the archive. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and then tap on Archive midway down. If any of these messages are just archived, all you need to do is swipe to the left and tap on Unarchive. Again, on either device, swipe to the left, or if you're on an Android, you can press and hold and then hit Unarchive. However, let's say it wasn't just archived, it's been deleted. You can get it back by getting back into your settings. So tap on the menu button again at the bottom right, and then tap on Settings at the top. From here, scroll down to the bottom, again on any device, and tap on See More in Account Center. Next, tap on Your Information and Permissions midway down, and then tap on Export Your Information at the top. The nice thing is that built into Messenger, we can export that information, including deleted messages. So hit Create Export, and of course this is for Facebook, so choose Facebook. And then you can external basically support or external service, but most people probably want to download it to their device. So hit Export to Device. And now on here, scroll down and choose Customize Information. I'm just going to do this on the iPhone because it's the exact same on both devices. Once you're in here, tap on the Clear All because you don't want to download all of this information. So just hit Clear All and scroll down and make sure everything is cleared. So again, personal info, Clear All, connections, Clear All, logged information, Clear All. So you're going to just basically deselect everything. After you've done that, we can just select messages. So scroll up after you've removed everything else, scroll up towards the top here, and then just tap on Messages. After you've done that, tap on Save at the bottom, and then tap on Date Range. Choose the date range, whether it's the last week or all time. Keep in mind, all time will take a bit longer, and hit Save. After you've done that, choose Media Quality. Make sure I would choose higher quality if you wanted the images to be good quality that you wanted to download and recover, and hit Save. Next, scroll down and just hit Start Export. You can see you'll need to enter in the password. So let me just autofill my password real quick here, and I'll show you what it looks like. After I've done that, it will go through the process of starting that export. Now, keep in mind, you can see it says it's requested here. You'll get an email when it is ready to download. And then all you'll need to do is go back into this section and tap on download. Again, if you don't know how to do that, all you need to do, again, is go to Menu and Settings, go back to See More in Account Center, and then Your Information and Permissions, and then export your information. And from here, you'll be able to see the option to download it to basically be able to open up and recover all of those deleted messages. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.